Omar, are you reconsidering your sector allocation for the year ahead in light of the recent spike in yields?
Well, it's very clear that the rotation that started back in November continues to be the big driver macroeconomically, and the markets continue to look a little more rational that we have seen probably in the last 6 months. A lot of the main drivers, as you can actually see, in the action today, obviously are consistent with higher yields, higher inflation expectations, and obviously a little bit of pulling back from the winners that we saw all the way in 2020. The bigger part that we're looking with investors is to have this barbell strategy because we're still, in that process of recovery. I think it's very clear that we're in economic growth recovery. However, the pace and the speed of the recovery is what is at question. And I think we saw that rising yields to be very, very quick. And therefore, looking at what that means going forward, it is what is going to drive a little more volatility day to day in the market. So the speed of the recovery is really what is at question. I think the trajectory is very, very clear. So we're encouraging people to think about this barbell strategy where you still have one foot on the secular growth area, which will give us, pieces where we basically going to see areas where we're still going to see a little bit of a flaky economy. And then on the other side, when you see the stimulus plans, when you see rising yields, when you see rising inflation expectations, where the cyclical rotation will take place.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.